Hi.
Hello, my dear. Happy Tuesday. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, you look pretty tonight. You look pretty tonight.
What?
Okay.
Oh, this baby.
Have you eaten you?
Here.
Have you eaten your dinner?
Nice tea.
Oh, is that Tinny or Tinky?
Tiki.
Oh, Tiki. Okay, so here again, Teddy Cow. Hello, Tiki. And I have also another one. Where are you here? Another new friend for Tiki and Teeny. Here, my dear. Here. Can you see it?
Oh,
This
how
is...
old are you?
Oh, I'm
How
5.
old are you?
I'm also 5.
Oh,
I'm with the same age with Teddy Cow. We are partners. We are both yellow. Okay. This is Ducky. Hi, my name is Ducky. Nice to
my
meet
name
you, my dear Lanfong.
is Teeny and Tiki.
Hello
Tiki.
to Tini and Tiki. Nice to meet you. I'm happy to be your friend. Okay, so
Teacher.
Ducky.
Blind box.
Yes,
I
what?
have blind box. Blind box.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, what is that, my dear? Box.
Blind box.
Oh, I see. They are cute. Oh, they look like Ducky too. But they are color pink.
Here, teacher. That is blind box.
Okay. Very cute. Oh, they look like Ducky right here. Can you see it? Okay. Ducky has also... Yes, they have the same...
And here, I have many. I have
Oh,
four.
very
Two,
good. Okay, you
two.
have many. Okay, that is
They are
panda.
very big.
Okay, yes, very big. That's
And
cute.
that's very small.
Very small. Okay. Yes. So our friends will join our
I
lesson
have,
tonight. Yes? What is it, my dear?
if that is so
Oh, another
cute.
one. Okay.
Yes.
There are so many.
Ah,
You have so many toys. That is fun. Okay, my dear, we will go to a new place tonight. Now get your bag and we will ride a boat and we were going to an island. Okay, are you ready? We are going to an island. Can you see our picture in the screen?
yes. Teacher, here. I have many blind box, but I don't finish.
Oh, did you print it
Yes,
from
I
the...
finish.
Where did you get that? Where did you get the pictures? From the internet?
Yes.
Oh,
Um,
very good.
I'm green. I'm green.
You win.
I'm green.
Oh, you are queen. Okay.
Green. Green. Here.
What
The
do you mean?
paper.
Ah, you print. You mean you print them on the paper. You mean like this? Print?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say that again? Print. Print.
Print.
Okay,
Print.
very good. You can say I printed them on a paper. Okay, my dear, can you say that?
Oh, I print them on the internet.
Okay, you mean I searched them, I got them from the internet, and I printed them.
In them on a paper.
Yes, very good. You
Teacher,
can say,
my table is very beautiful. You want to
oh,
see?
okay, let me see. Where is your table? Okay, can you show
Do
me?
you see? Do you see? I'm 1 years old, 2 years old, two
A
years old,
song?
and 1 year old. No, me, baby.
Oh, your
Here, me,
picture.
me.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh no, you have beautiful eyes. Oh my dear, you are very, very cute. You are pretty and cute. How old are you back then? You were 1 year old?
Oh, yes.
Oh,
It's 1 years old. Here is 2 years old. And here is 2 years old, 1 years old,
okay.
and 1 years old.
You are so cute. You have cute pictures. You were cute when you were a baby. And still you are pretty and cute until now. Okay. Okay, my dear, so let's go back here. Let's
No.
visit an
I show
island.
you here. I showed you the
Okay, what else?
table.
What else will you show me?
I will show you my table.
Okay. You
Here, my
tour
table
teacher.
is very clean.
Oh, you cleaned your table. That is very nice.
Yes. Here, I have look. You see?
Yes, wow. And you have so many things, pretty things.
Yes.
That is
You want to
cute.
see the lamp?
Where is your lamp?
It's next to the pet Tiki and Tini.
Oh, your lamp is next to Teeny and Tinky. I also have
Yeah.
a lamp here. Okay, I will show you too my lamp here.
I have many. Well,
Here, I have here. Can you see my lamp?
yes, you look. That is really.
Yes, you have so many toys. Fluffy
Oh,
toys.
that is not clock. Toy. That is clip hair.
Oh, hair clips and hair bands. Okay. They are
Here.
pretty. We have the same lamp.
Yes, I have a lamp. That is the
Yes, the
lamp.
lamp is in your front.
Yes, that is blind box.
Okay. You have a nice table and you must keep it neat and clean always.
Do
Right?
you see the blind box?
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, you have many boxes. Okay, my
Yes.
dear. Keep your table clean always, okay? Oh, what is another cute lamp? A mushroom lamp. That is
Here,
very cute.
my house name is Mushroom.
Oh, okay.
My house
Mushroom.
name. Yes, my
Mushroom.
house. Yes.
Okay, mushroom house. Okay, my dear, now let's go to an island. Let's go back here in our screen. What can you see in the picture?
A day on the island.
Okay, what else can you see? Can you see houses? You can say, okay, let's make some sentence. There is an island. What else can you say? Number 2. There are, it's your turn now.
What?
There are, what else can you see in the picture? An island. What
There
else?
are half a house.
Yes, there are
The
houses
house. Wait.
everywhere. What else?
Don't read. Don't read. Don't number 3. I see the house have a green, a yellow, a gray, a blue, a brown,
Yes,
and I see a sand.
very good. Okay, number 3. I see sand around.
Don't
Is
don't
there a
read.
pool? Can you see a swimming pool in the picture? I think there is
Oh
no
no.
pool. There is no swimming pool here. How about this green
I don't see teacher, I don't see the camera.
camera?
Oh, okay.
Where? Okay, can you see it
I
now?
see sand around.
How
Yes,
about this green one?
I see sand.
What
Oh, the tree
very
is half is half 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Oh no, there
14,
are
16,
so
17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23,
oh
24,
no.
25, 26,
Yes, there are
27,
so
28,
many trees.
29,
O-
30, 41, 42, 43, 44,
Okay, I
45,
think there
46,
are 100. Oh no, there are 100 trees
1
around.
billion.
Oh no, 1
1
million.
billion.
Oh no. What's next? Okay, 1 million, 1 billion. What's next? Do you know what's next?
The
One.
sand.
Okay. Okay, let's read, my dear, our sentence. There is an island. What else? There are number 2.
Number 2 is there is an and there are houses with different colors everywhere.
Very good.
I see sand around. There are so many
Yes,
trees.
billions
They
of
beautiful
trees.
and beautiful.
Yes. Okay, very good, my dear. Now let's go. Let's go back here. Okay, where are you? Okay. Now we have another set of friends. Who are they? Okay, my dear, let's see.
Teacher,
Yes,
do you want to see? Do you want to see my
my watch. You mean your watch. You can say, teacher, do you want to see my watch? Is that your
Do
watch?
you want to see? Do you want to see the watch?
Yes. Is
That
that
is
yours?
the
What time is it now? Okay. Tell teacher what time is it now. Can you tell me what time is it now in your watch?
in Philippines.
In Vietnam, right now, what time is it now?
In time right now is 9:48.
Okay.
And in Philippines, wait. And in Philippines is 10:48.
Yes, very good. But
You know?
I have here a,
And for
but we have the same,
and for
we have the same time. I have here a clock in Vietnam time. Can you see it? Here. Okay, it's 9:48 also. Okay, my dear, let's go back here to our picture.
Nhưng mà chị học xong chị sản không, chị xem dây thôi.
Okay, my dear.
Oh, it's same time.
Okay, let us
It's same time.
read. Yes, Sam and his friend.
Oh,
Dan and his friend.
Here,
Okay.
teacher, I show you.
Yes.
Look, teacher.
What is it? Can you see our screen, my dear? Can you see Dan and his friends? Okay, what are they
Yes.
doing? What can you do at this
You hear
beach?
me? You hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Okay, what can we do at this beach? Let us see. You can.
What
Here.
you like to go to this beach? What can you do at this beach?
Okay. You can, number 1, here.
Here, you, teacher.
Yes.
Wait, you, uh, you read with me.
Okay, I will read with you. Okay. Teacher will.
Okay.
Oh, Elsa. Elsa will help you read.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Yes.
12, 13,
What are you
14.
counting? Are you looking for the time? Okay.
No, that is my math.
Oh, okay. Okay, here, Elsa here will ask you the question.
What is 34? Here.
Oh, you're asking teacher about math. Oh, no.
I don't know.
Oh, no. Teacher will use calculator. Is that your assignment?
What?
Is that your assignment in math? Do you have assignment in math?
Yes, it's
No?
very hard.
Yes, it's very hard. So you have to study, my dear. Okay. Now let's go to English. Okay. Let's go to this question. What can you do at this beach?
Can you help me?
Oh, 34
please?
times 22 Teacher, I'm not sure what is the answer. It's for... Okay, do you know the answer? You can use calculator.
Okay. Is I don't know.
Okay, 34 times 22. We will search for the answer. Okay, my dear. So in the picture,
Would you like to go to this beach? What can you do at this beach?
okay. So what else? Go sailing.
Go
What?
sailing, fishing, play games, read comics, find shells, sleep.
Okay, and sleep. Now, can you find 5
Okay,
things?
okay. I know.
Okay,
Here, go sailing. I don't know. Go sailing.
go
You
sailing.
help me? Do you help me?
Okay, go sailing means you have to ride a boat and go in the middle of the sea. Here, the man here is going sailing.
Here.
Yes, going
Fishing.
sailing.
Fishing.
Yes,
Here.
sailing and fishing.
Playing. Playing games.
Where?
Here. Here.
Very good.
Here.
How about read comics? No one is
Read
reading a
comic.
book, right? No one is reading a
Here.
book. How about finding shells?
Fashion.
Yes, and who is sleeping?
And sleep.
Yes, sleeping. Now can you find 5 things that starts with letter S?
Sleep.
Very good. What else? Number 1. Number 2.
Shell.
Very good.
Soaring.
Very good. Number 4.
Sea.
Very good. And the last one?
Shopping.
Oh, but there's no one shopping here. Okay, how about this one here?
Sun.
Very good. Okay, now you find the 5 things that starts with letter S. Okay. Okay, my dear, so we will listen to an audio. Here, my dear, let us listen and you will draw a line for the person who is doing the action. Okay, let's listen
Here.
first.
My dad.
What is that?
The clock that is very.
Oh, is that your watch? Is that your watch? You wear that
Yes,
in...
my dad. My dad.
Oh,
My dad
oh
is
no.
sleeping.
Oh
I touch the clock. I
no.
clock the
Let
clock.
us not. Okay, let us not shout. Okay. So dad can sleep. Okay, my
No.
dear, let us listen to the voice.
I can't sleep because that is the drinking the, I don't know.
Okay, you will listen to the voice, to the audio. Okay, here is the sample. Okay, here.
46A. A day on the island. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
The children are enjoying the island.
Yes, they are. But what's the matter with that boy?
Oh, you mean Jack. He's looking for his glasses. He dropped them near that plant.
Oh, yes. I can see them now.
Teacher,
Okay.
Can you see the line?
Yes, my dear.
I don't hear it. It's
Oh,
very
no.
small.
Oh,
It's-
no.
I hear you, but it's very small.
Oh, no. Okay, teacher will share this again. Okay, let's try again. Tell me if you can hear it.
This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it, my dear? Okay, let's play again.
1,
Look at Sally.
Where?
There. She's the girl who's hiding behind that big rock.
Oh, yes. I can see her. She's playing with her friend.
2,
There's Peter.
Which one's he?
There. I think he's sleeping in the sun.
I think he's awake, but his eyes are closed because it's sunny.
Okay, my dear, where is Peter? Oh, yes. Why in the mouth? Why did you put your line on the mouth, on his mouth? Okay, very good. Now
Teacher,
let's.
it's time.
Oh no, it's time now. Okay. Oh, by the way, I will give you another butterfly here.
In the time sleep. In my sleep time.
Yes, it's your sleep time. So, bye-bye and good night, my dear. Sleep tight. Bye-bye.